Our top story is the Microsoft Surface, the Go 2. When the first Go came out, a lot of people were very, very happy that a product like this was coming out because there is a huge market for the very small, very portable computer. And that was one of the things that just wasn't getting addressed. I mean, there used to be a category a few years back called the netbook, used to do very, very well, but it kind of died out and it hasn't really come back. Even Apple, that used to do an 11-inch or a 12-inch like they did with the MacBook, don't do it anymore. So the actual category and space for a very small, very thin, very light computer with a keyboard, a proper keyboard, has been unserviced for a while.
Ever since tablets were introduced in the market, consumers have been waiting for the day when they can finally replace laptops. While companies like Apple are innovating with their iPads to give a more refined experience to the user, Microsoft might just have a better device in their arsenal. We are talking about Microsoft's latest Surface Go 2. The ultra-portable Windows tablet can very well be the bridge that closes the gap and becomes the ultimate tablet PC. Today we are reviewing the high-end variant of this machine, which costs a whopping 89,798 rupees combined together with the type cover and Surface Pen. Surface devices have always had a very simple design. This legacy has been carried forward with Surface Go 2 as well. The design is more practical if you ask us. It's easy to hold and there is a flap in the back that holds the tablet in place if you chose to do so. The PC angle, however, begins with the accessibility options on board. There is a USB Type-C port, a USB Surface Connect, a micro SD card reader slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The new Surface Go features a 10.5-inch display with an improved resolution of 220 pixels per inch. The screen is really good for anyone who likes to watch content. The colors look great and the resolution is amazing. Surprisingly, the screen just doesn't look great but is super responsive as well. Swipe or tap the display never missed on any of our commands. Since Microsoft has combined new Dolby Audio with the screen, you will have a great time watching videos on it. Moving away from the entertainment section, the experience of working on the Surface Go 2 was a bit different. While this tablet PC has a responsive display, we actually started enjoying our work once we connected the proprietary type cover to it. The keys are soft and the touchpad gave us satisfactory feedback. Microsoft has taken care of the artists in all of us by offering its iteration of a modern-day stylus and calls it the Microsoft Surface Pen. Strokes or curves, the pen works just fine and didn't disappoint us. A drawback though is the price at Rs 14,299. It is more expensive than the Apple Pencil. On the optics front, there is an 8-megapixel primary shooter with 1080p HD recording support and yes, it does a decent job. There is a 5-megapixel selfie camera as well, which is good for your video calls, but we won't recommend it for clicking pictures for your Instagram feed. Microsoft has introduced the Surface Go 2 in multiple variants. The one with us is the top-of-the-line Surface Go 2 with 8th Gen Intel M3 processor. When a high-end processor like this is combined with 8 gigs of RAM, you can expect a seamless performance. Well, yes and no. While this portable laptop performs phenomenally well in day-to-day tasks like writing emails, making your PowerPoint presentations and attending long sessions of video calls, Surface Go 2 lags behind when it comes to performance. While we can download all the applications that a regular Windows PC supports on this tablet, like Photoshop, you can't expect it to deliver great results. Multiple variants also mean different storage options. The one with us had 128 GB of SSD storage, which is great for a machine of this size. You can expand the storage by popping in a micro SD card if you want to. The battery is where the Surface Go 2 shows its valor. Microsoft claims that the laptop can give up to 10 hours of battery life. In real time though, we were getting at least 6 hours of backup on a typical workday. It's time for the verdict. The Surface Go 2 is a great step towards showing the consumer how advanced a tablet can be in terms of work. While it does have its shortcomings when it comes to heavy-duty tasks, it outperforms many basic laptops in regular computing needs. Starting at Rs 42,999, it's a great tablet. Add another 13,699 bucks for the type cover and you get an impressive portable PC.